Let's see. I'm failing here. All right, I'll give it a real one.
All right, Shake Shack, Phoenix Airport.
Haven't had Shake Shack in a while. And I was like, you have to have it, right? Got a few minutes in between the flight, so 10 minutes. Shake Shack. But this is a beauty. Thin burger. Shake Shack Burger, Phoenix. Sky Harbor Airport, Phoenix. At the Terminal 3. You know, the beef has some crisp to it. You get a little bit of frico, the nice American cheese, lettuce. We've got the burger sauce. Give it a solid 7. Solid 7, but hey, you're in the airport. Go and rip one, okay? It's right there.